Tiles are one of the biggest decisions you'll make in a renovation. They really do set the tone for your space. Get them right and everything else falls into place. Hi, I'm Bonnie from Birds Renovations, and in this apartment we were working with a really compact space. Every material we chose needed to not only look beautiful but really work for the space as well. Let me show you what we chose from Amber and how it all came together. For us, it's never just about picking tiles that look good on their own. It's about how everything works together to create a home that feels cohesive, calm, and easy to live in. In the ensuite, we use a primal sand in 300 by 300 on both the floors and the walls. It really has this soft warmth to it, which honestly makes the space feel inviting without being too much. And because it's a porcelain tile, it's also super practical, easy to clean, really durable, and perfect for everyday life. We then laid in the super white marble look tile. It's got a gorgeous honed finish which gives you all the beauty of natural stone but still works really well in a space that needs to be low maintenance. We also added the tumbled red travertine on the floor, which just brings that little bit of texture and character so it doesn't feel flat or one-dimensional. Then in the main bathroom we used the limestone capricorn across both floors and walls. It's a natural stone tile, so every tile is different. You get all those beautiful markings and variations which makes the whole space feel more lived in. To contrast it, we paired it with the tumble green marble tile which you'll see on the floor and also acts as a detail through the space. The deeper tone just adds that bit of depth and makes everything feel that little bit more elevated. We've also carried that tile through to the kitchen splashback and feature fireplace, which is a great way to tie everything together and create flow throughout the apartment. Using tiles doesn't just impact the way a space looks, but how it feels. The end result is a space that feels layered, timeless, full of character and practical for every day. Amber has such a great range of tiles and can help you with samples and expert advice. Head online or visit a showroom near you for your next project.